Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of super zoom cameras with an in-depth review of the Nikon COOLPIX P950. This camera has caught the attention of many photography enthusiasts, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 is a robust and well-built camera. It feels solid in the hand with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to handle, even during long shooting sessions. The P950 is not the lightest camera out there, but the weight adds to its stability, especially when using the zoom at its maximum range. And speaking of zoom, this is where the P950 truly shines. With an impressive 83 times optical zoom, equivalent to a 24 to 2000mm lens, you can capture stunning close-ups of distant subjects. Whether you're photographing wildlife, sports, or even the moon, the P950 delivers sharp and detailed images. Just take a look at these sample shots. As you can see, the zoom capabilities are phenomenal. The camera also features optical vibration reduction, which helps to minimize camera shake, ensuring your shots remain crisp even at full zoom. Moving on to the features, the P950 is packed with functionality. It has a 16-megapixel sensor, which may seem modest, but it performs well in various lighting conditions. The camera offers a wide ISO range from 100 to 6400, allowing for decent low-light performance. Additionally, the P950 can shoot in RAW format, giving photographers more flexibility in post-processing. For videographers, the P950 records 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second. The video quality is excellent, and the powerful zoom allows you to capture footage that would be impossible with most other cameras. Here's a quick clip to show you what it can do. Impressive, right? The camera also has a built-in stereo microphone, and there's a port for an external mic if you need better audio quality. The P950 features a bright 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen, which is perfect for shooting from different angles and reviewing your shots. There's also a high-resolution electronic viewfinder that performs well in bright sunlight. In terms of connectivity, the P950 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer photos to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing on social media. The SnapBridge app is a convenient addition for remote shooting and image transfer. Battery life is another strong point. The P950 uses the NL20, a rechargeable battery, which provides enough power for a full day of shooting. Of course, if you're planning to use the camera extensively, it's always a good idea to carry a spare battery. So, is the Nikon COOLPIX P950 worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one camera with an incredible zoom range, solid performance, and a host of features, then absolutely, it's perfect for travel, wildlife photography, and anyone who wants to capture distant subjects without lugging around multiple lenses. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and photography tips. And if you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe.